Hello, I'm Nicole and I typically like to do fashion DIY videos, but in today's video I wanted to do something a little bit different and be a little bit more candid in front of the camera and just kind of have a talking video. I never film these, so this is definitely a little bit out of my element. But with the new year fast approaching and with a lot of stuff changing in my life, I thought this was kind of the perfect opportunity to talk about what my goals are for next year and what kind of my intention is, and kind of talk a little bit about where my mindset is at. So I have recently gone through a breakup, and this was a breakup that I didn't necessarily see coming, so it was a little bit shocking to me, but it's one of those things that when the shock kind of wears off, I had some time to think about it and realize that this was definitely the best decision for us. When breakups happen, especially at this time of year, it makes you think so much about your life and where you're going and what the next year is going to look like, because any idea of what I thought 2019 was going to look like before has dramatically changed. But this breakup was the catalyst that kind of pushed me to do things that are really outside of my comfort zone and tie up some loose ends from my past. One thing that I kind of realized is that I am attracted to like the fixer-upper. I see somebody, I see like a lost soul in need, and I just immediately like feel like I can help that person, and that's something that I take on, and I put that responsibility on myself. It's never anything that anyone's necessarily asked of me. It's just kind of the way I am. I am really excited to just be by myself for a while and just kind of see where that goes and see what I can get myself into and up to, and that's kind of what I am focusing on for the upcoming year. So anytime I go through a breakup and I happen to find myself single, I honestly look at it as an opportunity. I am a sucker for personal growth and like self-development, and I look at being single as an opportunity to explore those things, and that's exactly what I am doing. Moving into 2019, I have set my intention, and my intentions are to focus and be patient. Those are two things that I definitely lose sight of very easily, and I can get distracted very easily, and I just need to really like hone in on what I want and go after it, and that's kind of what I'm trying to do. So I've been asking myself lately, where do my thoughts mostly go? Am I focusing on the past? Am I focusing on the present? Or am I focusing on the future? And to be honest, I am focusing more on the future and then the past and then the present. That would be the order. So I definitely need to flip that around, because I want to start being more in the moment and enjoying things for like what they are without overthinking everything. I'm a chronic overthinker. So this is something that is a practice that I will be implementing this year, I hope. And hopefully you'll be seeing more of me. I really hope when I say focus, I mean focusing on my videos, pumping out more videos. That would be ideal. So if anybody has any video ideas that you would like to see from me, that would be amazing. Please comment those down below. And also, if you kind of like this like candid chatting video style, I like to do these type of things, but I don't know if like anyone cares to watch them, which is why I haven't done them. But I'm kind of an open book, and I can chat about anything if you really are interested. So yeah, that is it, and I am so excited to see what's in store for 2019. Please let me know what your intentions are. I would love to hear what people are working on. And yeah, I will see you in the new year.